I went viral on TikTok by blow drying my car, and that is as weird as it sounds. Back then, I just had my car detailed by RGK Detailing, and Richie was using this fancy machine to blow the water right off it. I thought it looked great, it was effortless, there was no drying towels involved, and it was really quick. But the only problem is, you had to plug it in somewhere, you had the actual blower itself, and then the hose could scratch the car if you weren't careful. But I've been asked to recreate that viral moment using this much more convenient handheld turbofan from Wolfbox. Now this thing is pretty impressive. Let me show you what's inside the box, then we'll take it out and try it out in the car. There's a little user manual in here, a little card with some safety information on it, and some foam for protection during shipping. Now this is the fan itself, which I'll show you now. It's very lightweight actually, it feels like less than half a kilogram I would say. It does have a nozzle on it already, but inside the box you can see there's another 4 nozzles depending on what you need to use them for. Now this is handy because you can see they're all different sizes and you get really thin ones as well. This is ideal for cleaning anything really. So if you've got like a laptop or a keyboard and all the food gets stuck inside it, you can dust these out with this. Now it comes with a USB charge port which plugs into the back for recharging, but then you get over 100 minutes of use with it. And also in the box here, you get a handy little bag to keep it in, so you don't need to worry about packing it away into the box again every time. You can see it's all branded up here, but also you get some brushes that come with it, again just helping to clean other areas that you can't quite reach. Looking at the fan itself, you can see you've got the Wolfbox name on here, rubber grips around the side, and on the back here, this button you press and hold to switch it on. Now those 3 lights are for 3 different speed settings, and this blows up to 185 miles per hour, so very powerful. But you can set it down to lower speeds, and these ones down here show you the battery. Let's go and test it out in the car and see if it's any good. Now this is actually a frozen paint from BMW, so it's almost got a matte effect, but you can already see the dust starting to gather on it. Now this is one that you definitely want to keep clean, so let's blast all this water off. How cool was that? I'm genuinely impressed by this. For a portable air duster, that does a great job, and up to 185 mph, that's very strong. This is so good for cleaning keyboards, cleaning your blinds at home, even cleaning a tent if you've been camping. This could be used for literally anything. This also comes with a warranty, so if anything goes wrong with it, you will be covered. So definitely worth checking it out. I'm going to link to it in the description down below. But just to recap some of the stuff, you get over 100 minutes use from a single charge. It's up to 185 miles per hour fan speed, which is really strong. And it's so light, it's like less than half a kilogram. I'm going to keep it in the car because my car gets really dirty because I eat in it. So I'm going to definitely have this handy at all times. But like I say, I'll link to it down below and go and check it out.